guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I do have another half wig that I want to review with you guys. As you can see, I do have the roller spiral rods back in my head. As I have shown you in my previous video, the how to sport a half wig plus tips. In that video, it did include as to how I put these in for you guys, that you can sleep in at night. They're really easy to use, and really sufficient to actually sleep in at night as well. But I actually put these in today, and I just kind of let my hair air dry. This time I actually kind of just sprayed a little spritz and some hold after I put these in. And then like maybe a couple of hours I just, set and let it air dry. Today, the wig I wanted to do is the Outre quick weave Natina. And of course I do have it in a color too. I picked out this wig because I thought it was really cute, and I've been looking everywhere for this type of hair pattern because it's short, and I just really liked it. I kind of seen something similar on someone else's head, maybe like a model on Fashion Nova. She had this exact curl pattern, and I was just like, I wonder if I could actually find a wig like that. And they when they came out with this, I was just like, you know what, let me watch another review on how this looks on someone else's head. And when I saw one, I was immediately like, yeah, that's what I wanted. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, and I want to go ahead and put on this wig, and I just want to see how it looks with this curl pattern blended in with the wig. I actually really love it. The texture of it, it's really soft. It's really bouncy. So like if you brush it, this is like, the curls will slightly come out of place, but then like, it will, immediately kind of like curl back up. So far as my rollers, maybe I didn't really need to roll like the first two pieces up here, only kind of maybe like bend the end a little bit, because like the curl pattern kind of like starts like not at the beginning, but kind of like right in the middle here. So you don't really need a bunch of rollers to sport this wig. Let's see. Still blend it in a little bit more. But I really like this curl pattern and just how short it is. But it is, I think it's really cute. It's very, sassy too. So, I don't know, I didn't really try like putting it in front of my face like this. I mean, it's okay, but I kind of like it, out my face. Or like if it was going to the back. maybe one day I might actually try to just do like a little half ponytail with it. Just put like a little clamp here or something. I don't know, it's just like with curly wigs you can really get creative. Be careful with it, because even though it is synthetic, if you want to make a ponytail like at the top of this, you probably, you know, it's synthetic, so you know it can get nappy at any time. But I really like how bouncy it is, and how it just comes back into place. You're not really combing the curls out, because it's gonna simply just, you know, come back together. But that's it, you guys. I got this wig from ebonyline.com. I believe it was maybe like 16 bucks when I purchased it. But that is the end of my tutorial and review for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share my channel. If you guys want more videos like this, you can definitely comment and suggest. Also tell me how you like this wig, but definitely comment and just tell me what you guys would like to also to see next. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.